les nombres cardinaux de 11 à 19. Les nombres cardinaux de 11 à 19. In this particular lesson, we are going to learn the right pronunciation of cardinal numbers from 11 to 19. Why 11 to 19, not 11 to 20? You are going to find out the reason behind this. All right? And now, from 17 to 19, what is the easiest way to know how to mention 17, 18, and 19 in French? Before that, from 11 to 16, what is the secret you have to know? Or what is the secret of getting it easier? Be with me in this particular lesson. Of course, this is lesson number 14. Voilà. Les nombres cardinaux de 11 à 16. From 11 to 16. All right? Okay. The whole topic is from 11 to 19. But 11 to 16, they have something in common. Okay? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. They have something in common. That is why you have on your screen from 11 to 16 before we move to 17 to 19. Now, what do they have in common? 11, okay? 11, that is 1, or that is 10 and 1, or 1 and 10. Now, 1 in the previous lesson, lesson 13, 1 in French is un. Un. So 11 is 11. 11. Now 12. 12. 12 is 2 and 10. Is that not so? So 2 in French is deux. 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 So 12 in French is what? 12. 12. So the sentence with 11 is Je n'ai que 11 amis. I have only 11 friends. 12. The sentence there is Voici les 12 apôtres. Here are the 12 apostles. Now 13. 13. That is 3 and 10. Is that not so? So 3 and 10. 3 in French is trois. Trois. So 13. 13. Now you can see 11 has Z. 12, 12, 13, 13. So the Z. 11 to 16, they are the Z column. They are what? Z column. For that matter, let's take 14 to 16. All right. So the 13 is 13 and the sentence is Tu as les 13 tables? Do you have the 13 tables? Do you have the 13 tables? All right. Now from 14 to 16. 14 to 16. 14 is 4 and the 10. Is that also 4 and the 10? So you have 4 in French is quatre. Quatre. So 14 is 14. 14. 14. Et nous avons elle a 14 ans. Elle a 14 ans. She is 14 years old. Quel âge as-tu? Tu as 14 ans? 15. 15. 15 is 5 and 10. Is that not so? All right. So 5 in French is what? is 5. 5. 1. 1. 5. So 15 is 15. 15. 15. 15. With the sentence, 15 voleurs sont arrêtés. 15 voleurs sont arrêtés. 15 thieves are arrested. It means the police has arrested 15 thieves. And that is a good thing. Number 16. 16, that is 6 and the 10. Now 6 in French is what? 6. So you can see in the 16 you have 16. 16. Now the way you can pronounce them are in the red color, okay? So 16. David. 16. Alright? So don't say 6. It is 16. Il a 16 sur 16. He has 16 over 16. And that is 100%. Is that not so? That is very good. Now, let's move to 17. And we are going to 17 to 19. This is where you will be amazed. This part will interest you a lot. Watch this. Now, first of all, take a look at the figures I put in like 10-7, 10-8, 10-9. What does that mean? I put it this way to help you remember that 17, 18, and 19 in French is easy. In fact, is the easiest part in cardinal numbers. So to say 17 in French, just say 10-7. You are done. 10-7. So to say that, you say 17. 17. It is not easy. C'est facile, n'est-ce pas? Très, très, très facile. To say 18 in French, just say 10-8 and you are done. 18. 18. And now, to say 19 in French, you know what to say. You know what to say. Is that also? That is 10-9. 19. 19. That's all. Alright. So, these are some easy way to memorize the French cardinal numbers. Now, you know our lesson 13. Lesson 13 is from 0 to 10. And this is lesson 14. Okay? Lesson 14. And it is from 11 to it is from 11 to 19. So once you master these ones, it means from 20 going is going to be easy for you. Remember, you need to know the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. You need to know these things, including 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, which we are going to see later. I'm taking it bit by bit so that you will have the clearer understanding with the strategy that will aid you to memorize this. Because if you are writing IGCSE, there are questions based on numbers. If you are writing BECE, there are questions where you will have to express the age of people. You will have to write essay about your school, telling the population of your school. You may have to describe your house, tell you the number of rooms in the house. So you need to know these things. Clear? Voila. So 11, if you are to take it back, 11, that is 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, and 14, you have 14, 15, 16, et puis 17, 18, 19. In the next lesson, we are going to see 20 to 29. And once I'm done with 20 to 29, you will be able to do the rest on your own. Trust me, because this is the Dakoba French Academy, where the skills to master the French language becomes easy. Merci beaucoup pour ton attention. Rendez-vous dans notre leçon à venir. Au revoir.